Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Senior Caribou, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove or decrease the background / white noise in Audacity. Alright, so this is going to be split into two parts. The first part is just me going through it super fast and getting it over with. This is how I recommend that you watch tutorials, any tutorial for that matter. You first watch it without copying it, so that way you know what you have to do, you're prepared a little bit, and you know that you can do it. If there's things in the tutorial that you just don't know how to do, well then go to a different tutorial. The second time, if you've got it all down, you watch it, and then you just take it, a little bit slower, you pause, you copy it, like you would a normal tutorial. But in this, I give you the liberty of putting it into two separate parts. The first part, we'll just be going over it super fast, how to do it. If you've, caught on, then it'll be easy. And the second half, if you haven't caught up and you need some help, some further demonstrations, then that is what that will be for. Alright. So before you start recording, you want to leave a little bit of background noise, just places where you're not talking. This will make sense in a second. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to select the area that is not being used, go to Effect, go, where is it, Noise Reduction, hit Get Noise Profile, select it all, go back to Noise Profile, or Noise Reduction, and hit OK. The settings will be changed for you, however. Alright, let's listen to it before. Alright, let's do this. And then, let's listen to it now. Alright, let's do this. Now, as you can see, all the background noise was able to be removed. It does sound a little bit weird because the settings were tweaked for a different video. But that's how you do it. Alright, so this is the second half of the video. If you want a little more in-depth of how to do everything, this is what this is for. So, now that you're in Audacity, if you want to hear two sides, you put it on stereo. That makes it so that way both things go on. Sometimes I have a little issue, though, where it only plays out one side, so I have it set to mono. This is where your microphone is. I should probably make it... whatever. I'll just use this as an example because it's not that good. It's the one that is set up with your laptop or whatever, so we'll just be using that. As I said before, you want to leave a piece of blank area so that way it knows where to get the noise profile from. So, alright, let's begin. So when you do this, you leave a space open so that way you can go in here, get the noise profile, and I don't know, you can mess around with these settings if you want. Let's see here. I don't know, we'll leave it there. Get noise profile, it takes the area that it hears the fan from, and then you hit Control A, or whatever you do, you could just slide over the whole thing, and that selects the whole thing. Noise reduction, hit OK, and that does the whole thing. Now, you can listen to this one more time. Alright, let's begin. Now, some things that you could also do is you can go into equalization. There are a bunch of different settings in this. There's bass boost to bring out the richness in your voice, I guess. There's treble, telephone. There are lots of different... Alright, let's begin. Lots of different things to help you out if you want different things. Alright, let's begin. So as you can see, there's a lot of different things that you can do in Audacity. This was just how to get rid of the background audio and get rid of the white noise. So, if you found this tutorial helpful at all, make sure you like and leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.